And so I mentioned earlier that one of the requirements for funded research was that authors upload a manuscript of their research to our preprint server called Focus Archive. And so I'm just going to show you here a basic tutorial of how that works. And so first thing, you want to sign up with the Open Science Framework, which, as you can see here, can be done either with your ORCID ID through your institution or just with your basic information. And then once that's done, it'll take you to the homepage for the Focus Archive, which you can see here. And so you just head down here, click Submit a Preprint, and that takes you through to here. It'll ask you first to upload a file of the actual manuscript. And then from there, it's entering a lot of data about the manuscript. And so I'm just going to take you through how all that works. So it'll ask you for a title. So you enter that. And then it'll ask you if the data for the study is publicly available, and if so, where. So if you put available, it'll ask you to link to the data, kind of thing. If you say no or NA, which in this case for this trial, I'm just going to be saying NA to move through quickly. And then the same for pre-registration, it'll ask you available, no applicable. Again, and for both of these, we're hoping more and more you're saying available, but if you're not, it's obviously all right. And so in this case, again, if you say available, it'll ask you where and which kinds were pre-registered, if it was study plan, analysis plan, or both. But I'm going to put NA just to move through this. Great. It'll ask you about license, only offers once, pick that license. It'll ask you, or it has optional fields here for if it's been published before in a peer-reviewed fashion, if it has a DOI, to obviously enter that. I think in a lot of cases that's not going to be relevant for this, but it is there. And then it'll also ask you to enter the abstract. And it'll also ask you if you want to put any keywords, just that kind of thing. And then here, I'll ask you for discipline. We'll ask you about author information, which should already be loaded in for the account if that's the primary author. It should already have that in here. You can also add co-authors and add their information in here. It'll ask you if you have any conflicts of interest. No. And then if you want to link any materials that have also been uploaded to the Open Science Framework, it also has functionality for that. And then once you submit it, it's not quite up yet. It has to be pre-moderated first, which just means the people on the site will check it out first, make sure all the links work and everything's in order. And then once that's good, it'll go up on the archive and be accessible. Thank you.